Welcome to EdTech Hustle. My name is Rich, and in a previous video I showed you how you can go to NotebookLM by Google and upload different YouTube videos to use as sources where you can ask questions and find a lot of information. Well, if you tried to upload videos and you got this error in this video, I'm going to show you a quick workaround that will hopefully be helpful. Here we go. Okay, so I'm here in YouTube and I found a great documentary called Can We Cool the Planet from a reputable source being Nova PBS. Okay, I'm just going to take that link, I'm going to copy, and when I go to Notebook, I will add that as a source. I'm going to go down to where it says YouTube and I will paste this URL right over here, and you assume that it's going to allow me to upload the transcript and give me the summary and allow me to ask questions and generate a timeline and everything else. But you can see it doesn't quite work this way. So as I sort of hover my mouse over here, it says source is empty. Now typically an error that I've gotten before says like it couldn't import that transcript or something. And I'm not quite sure why this is, but it doesn't matter because if you have about 10 or 15 seconds, I have a workaround that should help clear up some of these errors and at least allow you to use that YouTube video as a source. So when we upload a video from YouTube, we're actually not uploading the video file, but what we're doing is uploading the transcript associated with that video. Now, if you can see the captions here, you can access the transcript from any video by just kind of clicking on the description, scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the page, and hitting this button right over here that says Show Transcript. All right, so now our transcript shows in this top right window, starting all the way from 0 minutes and 0 seconds. So now what I have to do is just take this text and copy it all. Now, unfortunately, if I use a Command A function, it's going to select all the text on the page, a lot of text like this that I don't really want to use. So instead, what I have to do is just kind of click here and drag my mouse down. Now, this is a long video. You can see 40 minutes. That took me, 5 seconds to select all that text. Okay, so a little bit of a pain, a little bit of an inconvenience, but not a deal breaker in my opinion. Okay, so that text is selected. I then copied it onto my clipboard by just doing Control-C or Command-C. And now I'm going to do that same thing, but this time, instead of selecting YouTube, I'm going to go right over here where it says Copy Text. And I'm going to paste that text. Okay, now I've pasted the text. Perfect. Here is the description. This is the transcript. And what I'm going to do now is delete my old source, which doesn't have any information in it. And now I'm just going to change this, rename this to Can We Cool the Planet? Okay, and now I have this saved. Okay, so now when I select the notebook guide, of course, here's the summary. My questions are here. I can generate the timeline, generate the table of contents, just like I showed you before in the previous videos. You can do that. So the workaround is just to show the transcript, select the transcript, copy it, and then paste it here as pasted text. It does the same exact thing, except rather than NotebookLM taking the text and copying and pasting it, you're just going to do it yourself. So again, not super convenient, but hopefully not so inconvenient that'll deter you from using NotebookLM. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment area below. And if you like this video, I would love it if you could subscribe. Thanks again, and have a great night.